Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got a really exciting comparison for you. It's an Android face-off. As you know, I'm running the very latest, bleeding-edge Android 16 QPR Beta 2.1 on my Google Pixel 6, while my trusty Pixel 6a is still rocking Android 15 with its May 2025 security patch. So, let's dive in and compare some key UI elements. First up, let's talk about the quick settings panel. This is probably one of the most frequently accessed parts of your phone, and Android 16 has some cool tricks. On the Pixel 6 running Android 16, check this out. We've got resizable quick settings toggles. You can now switch between these wider 2x1 tiles and a more compact 1x1, letting you customize how many controls you see at a glance. Now, over on the Pixel 6a with Android 15, it's the classic experience. The tile sizes are fixed, and while functional, the edit mode isn't as neatly organized. The brightness slider is also a bit more pill-shaped. Next, let's jump into personalizing our phones with the Wallpaper Picker and Wallpaper and Style settings. On Android 16, the Wallpaper and Style section feels completely revamped. The previews are much larger, and the biggest highlight here is the new Live Effects category. On the Android 15 Pixel 6a, you'll find the familiar Material Hue customization. It's still great for matching colors to your wallpaper, but you won't have those dynamic live effects or the redesigned, more spacious customization pages. On the Android 15 Pixel 6a, you'll find the familiar Material Hue customization. It's still great for matching colors to your wallpaper, but you won't have those dynamic live effects or the redesigned, more spacious customization pages. Take a look at the Settings app on the Pixel 6. Do you see those vibrant, colorful icons for categories? While they don't dynamically change with your theme just yet, they definitely add a fresh, playful pop. The overall layout adheres to that Material 3 expressive design, making it feel a bit more modern and, dare I say, bouncy with subtle animations. On my Pixel 6, the Pixel Launcher search bar is getting a makeover, looking more like the Google Apps search widget. Over on the Android 15 Pixel 6a, the status bar elements are the classic Android ones. The battery icon is vertical, and the search bar is the standard design. When I press the volume buttons on the Pixel 6, you can see the volume slider is now more rectangular, with a distinct Material 3 handle. If audio is playing, you might even see a cool animated waveform dancing at the bottom of the slider, a nice visual touch. On the Pixel 6a with Android 15, the volume panel is still the familiar pill-shaped slider, and you won't find the animated waveform or the updated mute/vibrate/sound icons. So there you have it, a quick tour of some of differences between Android 15 and the current Android 16 QPR Beta 2.1. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.